Hello and welcome to Crypto Dishes podcast. We possibly try to keep things short and concise. So take a look at this, guys. XRP ETF, likely in 2025. Ripple versus SEC lawsuit reaches critical turning point. The potential for XRP ETF approvals coupled with a broader bullish sentiment in the crypto market could be positive for XRP price. Members of the XRP community will have the chance to submit appeals to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of the United States of America on January 15, 2025. This possibility will be available to them, and it's probable that this day will be the deciding factor in the future of XRP and whether or not it will eventually be converted into an exchange-traded fund ETF. During the month of November, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, submitted a request to extend the time for filing an appeal to the beginning of January. Quite a few individuals were under the impression that this request was connected in some way to the results of the election that took place in the United States. Should the Securities and Exchange Commission consider taking a different approach to address the issue? It is becoming less and less likely that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, would pursue the appeal with the new government of President Trump, which is pro-cryptocurrency, and Paul Atkins is ready to lead the agency. The SEC is prepared to lead the agency. Due to the fact that there has been a shift in leadership, it is probable that Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole are in the process of transitioning into a new phase. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, is of the opinion that the newly elected administration needs to put an end to the 4-year legal struggle that has been going on between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Ahead of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who is favorable towards cryptocurrencies such as Atkins, is of the opinion that the market might potentially gain from the restoration of regulatory clarity and confidence. To what extent will XRP soon receive the go-ahead? As a consequence of the decision made by the SEC to withdraw its appeal, it is likely that the status of XRP as a non-security might be clarified. The Bitcoin community's prospects for the approval of an exchange-traded fund would be greatly boosted as a result of this development. To this point, the only entities that have been granted permission to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are exchange-traded funds. This is due to the fact that these digital assets are not considered to be securities. A great number of individuals are clinging to the expectation that cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs, such as Solana and XRP, amongst others, would be sanctioned by the administration that will take office in the year 2025. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for XRP have been suggested by a number of companies in the past, including Bitwise, Canary Capital, Wisdom Tree, and 21 Shares. These ETFs provide investors with the opportunity to invest in XRP. At the moment, the prediction tool known as Polymarket has a 75% approval chance for an exchange-traded fund that will be based on XRP in the year 2025. There is an expectation of a favorable outlook. What is the maximum amount that the price of XRP might go? When it comes to the market, investors of XRP have an optimistic perspective because they anticipate a rise that will be prompted by either the approval of an exchange-traded fund, ETF, or the altcoin season in 2025. Therefore, they believe that the market will continue to climb. As a result of the fact that an approved exchange-traded fund, ETF, has the ability to rocket the price of XRP substantially higher than $5, analysts believe that it will be profitable for investors to wait. The bullish sentiment has been further strengthened by the fact that Bitcoin expert Lark Davis has recently published a favorable market forecast on X, which was once known as Twitter. This has further contributed to the bullish sentiment. Everyone is waiting to see what the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, does next, since the deadline of January 15th is getting closer and closer on the calendar. Will there be regulatory clarity and approvals for exchange-traded funds as a result of the incoming administration's decision to pursue a pro-cryptocurrency stance? It is possible that the year 2025 will be a year of significant change for those who own XRP investments. That's it for now, guys. Smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe for more daily updates.